Alright, so the skateboard is kind of working, but then someone stepped on my remote and finished cracking the screen. So now I'm like driving this thing blind. I don't know what mode it's in. It's annoying, but I managed to get one motor to go. I'm gonna go to Wally World and get some electrical cleaner and white lithium grease to see if it'll fix this problem. Guys, wish the best for me. Rozzy's feeling sad. I was twin turboed. Now I'm one turbo. Meanwhile, we got that little red Lamborghini across the street. Something to smile about now. Let's go. Let's see the Lambo take off. So I made it to Wally World, and let's see if these things will fix the motors. I'm hoping and praying. Man! Oh, all this rain made my shirt bleed. Just like all my skateboards bleed. These are the two products. Hopefully these two bring this baby back. Evolve, don't die. Still? Well, I don't know what sells associate. For what? Now the machine's trying to take my money. And it's not trying to do nothing for me. Give me my receipt. Boom, the coin stash. Whoop. Let's see if we can flip this one. All right, I guess not. Help! We outside and we in traffic, baby. We in Miami. You know what I'm saying? What's up? We outside. Bro, on one motor, going slow, but we still moving.